Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to update Candy Crush Saga. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and download the application if you haven't already. As you can see, here is my Candy Crush Saga game. So guys, after we have downloaded the game, and maybe it's passed some time since we downloaded, and now we want to go ahead and update the game. So guys, here is how to do that. First thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the Play Store on your mobile phone or the App Store depending if you have an iPhone or an Android. So guys, go ahead and open up the Play Store, and here you will be able to see all the games that you can download. And as you can see at the top of the page, we have the search bar where we can search for a game. So what we want to do guys is go ahead, click the search bar and search for Candy Crush. Search for Candy Crush guys, and this is now going to give us the results where we can see all the games that are available, and we want to go ahead and open up Candy Crush Saga. So guys, go ahead and click on Candy Crush Saga right here, and as you can see, here is the button that says update. So guys, all we have to do to be able to update the game is just go ahead and click the update button right here, and after clicking update guys, it's going to go ahead and automatically update the game to the newest version, and now you can go back guys and open up the game again, and then you can enter it normally. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how do you do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.